Good evening, sir. I'm Robel De Villegas. My presentation for today is Network and Communication. Network topology. Different device communication, encompassing physical, cable layout, and logical data flow aspect with various types like star, bus, ring, mesh, ad hoc, infrastructure, and wireless mesh topology, each presenting unique benefit and drawbacks. Star topology and star topology device connect to a central hub, pros easy installation and troubleshooting with isolated failures. Cons: central device failure, switching network downtime, and it requires more cabling than the bus topology. Bus topology. A bus topology connects device by a single communication line. Well cost effective and easy to set up, it suffers from network shutdown if the cable breaks. Performance issue with more device and troubleshooting challenge. Ring topology. And ring topology device from a circular loop enabling unidirectional data flow. Pros include predictable performance with reduced collision, while cons enable disruption from failures and complexity and device management. Mesh topology. A mesh topology feature device interconnected through multiple paths with full and partial meshes. It offers high flows tolerant but is costly and complex to implement in large network due to numerous connections. Ad hoc topology. An ad hoc network and a quickly established wireless network with central access points, allowing direct communication between devices. While useful in emergencies, it lacks scalability, security, and can consume sufficient power due to its architecture. Infrastructure topology. An infrastructure topology features a central access point connecting devices, enabling communication. It offers centralized management and security but suffers from performance limitation and vulnerability as a single issue failures disrupts all connectivity. Wireless mesh topology. A wireless mesh topology features multiple interconnected wireless access points forming a continuous network. Its advantages include high reliability and scalability, as well as extended coverage. However, it can be costly and complex to implement requiring specialized hardware and software for effective routine. The OSI model standardizes telecommunication and computing function into 7 layers: application, presentation, sessions, transport, network, data link, and physical. Developed by ISO, it enables interoperability among diverse hardware and software technologies, outline data transmission processes. Application layer. This is the layer that interacts directly with the user and software application. It provides the interface for service like email clients with browsers and file transfer application. Protocol here include HTTP, FTP, and SMTP. Presentation layer. The presentation layer manages data translation, encryption, and compression, ensuring compatibility for receiving application by converting format ASCII to EBCDIC and implementing data encryption protocol like SSL, TLS. Presentation layer. The presentation layer manages data translation, encryption, and compression, ensuring compatibility for receiving application by converting format ASCII to EBCDIC and implementing data encryption protocol like SSL, TLS. Session layer. The session layer oversees communication session management, including establishment, maintenance, and termination, while controlling dialogue, half duplex or full duplex, and providing synchronization for interrupted sessions. Transport layer. The transport layer ensures reliable data delivery between hosts, managing segmentation, flow control, and error control. Key protocol are TCP, reliable, connection-oriented, and UDP, faster, connection less reliable. Network layer. The network layer is concerned with routing data packets across different networks. It handles logical addressing using IP addresses to find the best path from the source to the destination. Routers are the primary device that operate at this layer. Data link layer. The data link layer ensures node-to-node data transfer by packaging. Network layer data into frames, utilizing map addresses for physical addressing and offering error detection and flow control. Physical layer. The physical layer, the lowest layer, manages device connection by transmitting and receiving raw data bits over mediums like cables or radio waves, defining electrical, mechanical, and procedural specification for network hardware.